Hello children, I am Miss Jayashree here. Today we will read Standard 9 and 10 Pollution Chapter Continuation. Children, last class we discussed about the different types of pollution. Today we will discuss about the soil pollution. How the soil is getting polluted. Soil pollution is defined as the change in the physical, chemical and biological conditions of the soil through man's intervention, resulting in the degradation in the quality and productivity of the soil. Here, whether it may be naturally or by man-made, when there will be any deterioration in the soil, then you will say it is soil pollution. The pollutants enter the food chain at a plant level. The soil pollutants remain in the soil for a longer period of time. When the pollutants will enter into the food chain from the lower trophic level to the higher trophic level, the pollutants will flow, as a result of which the human beings also indirectly get the effect of the soil pollution. Examples of soil pollution: industrial waste, urban waste, biomedical waste and pesticide waste. Now children, we will read about the radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution is defined as the increase in natural background radiation emerging from the activities of the man using naturally occurring or artificially produced radioactive materials. Radioactive pollution may be natural or man-made, whether it occur naturally or by man-made. Natural radioactive pollutants are emitted from the cosmic or the ultraviolet rays present in the atmosphere. Natural radioactive elements, how the natural radioactive elements we will get from the cosmic or the ultraviolet rays present in the atmosphere. Man-made radioactive elements may be X-rays, any high power medical equipments or nuclear reactor, atomic test, nuclear bomb, nuclear weapons, diagnosed in the medical diagnosis and therapeutic applications, all of radioactivity. For example, when a patient is suffering from cancer, radiation will be given and X-ray machines will also emit the radioactive pollutants. Now we will come to the noise pollution. Noise pollution is defined as an unwanted sound that is an irritant and a source of stress. Sound is the means of communication and entertainment. A low sound is pleasant, but a loud sound is unpleasant and is often referred to as noise. A loud sound is always unpleasant. A loud sound is known as noise. Next point. Main sources of noise pollution are transport sector, industrial sector, household sector, defense sector, loudspeakers and other different sources. Transportation means moving of the vehicles, their horns will produce more noise. Then industrial sector, machineries will produce more noise. Household sector, building sectors, house building and some equipments which are used to construct the big apartments, that will also produce noise. Defense sector, testing of the atomic bombs at the war time or some testing weapons will make us more noise pollution. Loudspeakers, miscellaneous sources. Children, now we will discuss about the sources of pollution. How pollution occurs? Pollution occurs by different sources. One is through noise, through air, through soil, through radioactive pollution. Through noise pollution, through air pollution, through soil pollution, through radioactivity, radioactive pollution. Already soil pollution, radioactive pollution, last chapter we already discussed. Here in a diagrammatic way we will learn about the noise pollution, sources of noise pollution. What are the different sources of noise pollution? One is factories, construction sites, airports, agricultural equipments, household sounds, defense equipments, loudspeakers and traffic. Understood children? What are the sources of noise pollution? Sources of noise pollution are factories, construction sites, airports, agricultural equipment, household sounds, defense equipment, loudspeakers and traffic. Now let us discuss about the air pollution and its sources. The contamination of air by the pollutants like dust, smoke and harmful gases which cause adverse effect on human beings, plants, animals and the environment is known as air pollution. So what are the sources of air pollution, children? One is building site, second is energy production, third forest fire, 4 transportation, 5 refineries, 6 pesticides, metallurgical department 7 and 8 is chemical industries. These all will emit different type of poisonous substances into the air and the air will be getting contaminated. So what are the sources? Building sites, some dusty waste, energy production, forest fire, transportation, refineries, pesticides, metallurgical department and chemical industries. These all will produce different types of pollutants into the air and our air will be getting contaminated. Okay children, thank you.